Hey y'all, Shay here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today we're going to be installing some kinky Brazilian hair made by Urban Beauty, and it was sent to me by TGI Hair. So check them out at tgihair.com. So right now we're going to get into the installation, and then after the installation, I'm going to come back with my thoughts on the installation and the thoughts on this hair, my first impressions and all that stuff, and give you all the tea and some tips when it comes to installing this hair. So if you want to learn more about this hair, if you want to see it being installed, then keep watching.
Perfect.
What's up, fam? So we just got done watching the installation video, right? And you probably got some questions. I got some answers, so let's talk about it, okay? So first, this hair comes from a company called TGI Hair. This is my first time doing business with them, but they contacted me like on a Thursday. I responded like that Thursday afternoon, and you know, they were like, you know, pick what hair you want to review or whatever. And so I did that, picked it that Thursday afternoon. It was on my doorstep on Monday. Okay, like that's what's up. Like, they're pretty fast. Now they also have more than just hair. They have hair products and stuff like that from different brands and companies and stuff. So, you know, like, especially if you're in an area where you do not have access to a beauty supply store, they would be definitely the way to go, because the shipping is so fast. Like, you'd have it just about the next day or the day after. Like, that's awesome. So, you know, go check them out. They're tgihair.com, and I'll put all their information in the description box below, okay? So let's talk about this hair. This hair is by Urban Beauty. It's called Kinky Brazilian. Now, what do I like about the hair? I like the curl pattern. The curl pattern is cute. I like the length of the hair. The overall, like, the curl of it, the feel of it, it seems like it might be low maintenance. And y'all know I like to live dangerously, so hopefully it is. Now, things I don't like about this hair is silky. Y'all know I'm really not a silky girl. I like more kink, you know, but I do like the bohemian curl vibe. That's my thing. So, you know, I guess we're gonna see how it goes. In my final thoughts, I think what I'll probably do is like vlog from like week to week or something, or if something crazy happens or whatever, I'm probably gonna try to vlog that, because I'm really trying to get more into being in the moment for you guys. So I'll probably vlog that, and then, you know, come back with my final thoughts and everything. So if that video isn't out already, please, you know, be on the lookout for it. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and also hit that hit the notification bell. Okay. Now, as far as the installation goes, what I did was around the perimeter, I installed one piece of hair. But this hair is so skinny. Like, let me pull a piece off. Like, this one piece by itself, and this is a thicker piece, which was rare. No, there's two pieces. That's two. Yeah, that's two pieces. Look, basically this hair is really, really thin. Like, the pieces that it comes in is really skinny. And if you were trying to install it one at a time all over your head, it's gonna take you hours. I'm not gonna do that. So like I said, I installed single around the perimeter and single in my part area, because, you know, you want your knots to be as small as they can wherever they might be exposed. And then this area here, the back, and some of the sides around, you know, the center portion, I was grabbing like 2 and 3 strands of the hair and crocheting it together. Just so I can kind of speed through it. Now, if you're going to do it that way, make sure that you space it out. Don't put them one on top of the other when they're in bulk like that, because you're going to end up like looking like Mufasa. Like, it's going to be huge. Now, don't get me wrong. If you think Mufasa's sexy, if that's your look, if that's your thing, work it, girl. But it's not mine. I really kind of want a more natural feel or natural flow of the hair. So I wanted to make sure it wasn't like too huge. So like I said, I spaced it about 2 fingers, 2 finger width, 2 finger spaces apart. Okay, so like that. Just to make sure that it's not too big. Now, when we're doing the single ones, you put those right on top of one another, because you don't want to miss an area in your perimeter, and you don't want to miss an area in your part area. Okay, so the hair is cool. We'll see how it goes. I like the style. It was so uniform, like the curl. I know y'all see me in the installation part, and you were probably like, what is she doing? Because I was just like, kind of, you know, doing this. And what I was trying to do was break up the curl, because the curl was just so uniformed. Like, it was giving me like crinkle fries or like Wavy Lay's potato chips uniform, you know. I don't know, maybe I'm hungry, but it just was giving me that vibe. So like, just to break up the curl, I did that. Now what you can also do, and what I may do, and if I do, I'll update you on Instagram, so go follow me at Shay Love Hair on Instagram, okay? But what I may do is, I have some of that other hair, I think it was called Egyptian curl. I have some of that hair left, and I might throw it in here, like around the top area, to just like, it's the same curl pattern, but it's looser, and I just feel like it'll be less uniform if I throw some of that in there with it. Because I really like that hair anyway. It was really cute. I just think this hair is so uniformed that it just needs a little something, because it's just too uniformed for me. But you know, I mean, it's still cute. I like the style. The style is cute. So like I said, if you like this hair, then please give me a thumbs up, and also hit me in the comments with any questions you may have, or any thoughts, concerns, anything like that. You guys know I started out with the braiding pattern, but I do have a method that I do to protect my hair and to prepare my hair for crochet braids. So if you want to know about that, definitely look at those videos. I want to say the title is Prepping My Crochet Hair. No, Prepping My Hair for Crochet Braids. That's the title of it, but I'll also link that and put it in the suggested videos up top here somewhere. I never know where that is, but it's somewhere up there. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for getting me to 1K, and I'll see you guys later. Peace and blessings.